Hello, my name is Nathan McIntyre, and this is my tile-based game for Project and Portfolio 3. My mechanic is breakable objects. Every time you interact with an object, it breaks and takes the required amount of stamina for each different object. Objects with holes under them take more stamina. The the object is to get to the checkered line without running out of stamina, and those gems replenish stamina. I do know the direction I'm supposed to be going since I made it. But what I've done up here is you can't see all of them because they ran out of stamina, but there's pits that go across here, so a lot of times if you're playing, the player will get stuck up there and then have to go all the way around because they don't know which ones spawn pits. But one of the things I did also is that they play sounds and still animate if you run out of stamina with the message. But that's basically the mechanic in itself. The other thing is that the darker colored objects, like the darker grass compared to the lighter grass, you can't interact with these. Same thing with the rocks, like the darker colored rocks. They're just walls. Basically what I did was like empty grass border. I just eliminated all the code. I deleted it all instead of having the code in here. But basically, the gem, the grass, and the rock are all coded the same. When you interact with it, it will check to see if the player has enough stamina. If it's success, it will play. It always plays the drop sound for success with a little bit of a delay, so it doesn't play over the destruction sound. And then it'll destroy the actor, and depending on what it is, grass takes 3, the grass holes 5, the rock is 10, and the rock holes 15. So they all take different staminas. The gem I've got set to negative 25, so it'll restore stamina. But once you get past what you're doing with stamina, it sets a new tile type, because what I did here, just to make it easier, since all these are entities and all it's basically coded the same, I made duplicates of the box. But when you push the box, say you push it from this tile to this tile, it removes it. It marks this one as can enter once you move it to this one. But when you're destroying it, it's still, that current tile is marked as cannot enter. So the fastest way to fix that problem is just to set a new tile, because by default they're set to can enter. So you update tile and then play the destruction sound and the particle effect. You can choose from the particle effects that I created. I have a separate one for rock, gem, and grass. And after that is done, well, that's pretty much as far as code goes that way. If it fails, it plays. I've got it set up to play a different sound when it fails, and instead of, the box has this coded right here to check the array to see the coordinates and stuff, but I didn't need that since I'm not pushing anything anywhere, I'm just destroying it. So I deleted all that code and just hard coded this so it jumps up and down easily. And that's basically it. Except for the borders that I use for walls, they're all coded exactly the same except for the stamina and if it's spawned on a floor or a pit underneath it. you can they're all kind of the same. Even the borders, you can even select borders under entity type. That's why I did it that way, just so I don't have to switch back and forth between like tile type and like I can control everything from there. But that's basically the entire project. Thank you.